Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to the second session of Madina Arabic Book 1. In the previous session, we covered the first page of the PDF, and today, inshallah, we'll cover the second page of this PDF. Let's start. Bismillah. So, the topic of today is a question. Ma haza. Okay? Ma haza. We already know the meaning of haza is this. Now, meaning of ma is what? So we have this WH questions, right, in English: what, where, why, when. So similarly, in Arabic, we have for what in Arabic, we'll say ma. Okay, ma. Ma haza means what, ma means what, haza means this, and then there is a question mark. In English, we write question mark in this way, but in Arabic, we will write in opposite direction. So the translation of this question would be, what is this? Ma hadha. Ma hadha. Okay, so let's start with the first question. Ma hadha. Ma means what? Okay, ma means what? Haza means this. Ma hadha. Question mark. So the translation would be, what is this? And it is referring to the object here. Okay. So the statement or the answer to this question is haza baytun. Haza baytun. Haza means this, and baytun means a house. Correct? So the translation of this statement or the answer to this question here, what is this, would be, this is a house. Full stop. Okay. So the question was ma hadha. Ma means what, haza means this. That would be translated to as, what is this? The answer is hadha baytun. Hadha baytun. Haza means this, baytun means a house. So it will be translated to as, this is a house. Okay. Now the next question is ahadha baytun. Ahadha baytun. Now here you could see that there is no ma written, but Hamza with a fatha on top is written. Okay, so this is a yes or no question. So the answer to this question could be either yes or either no. Okay, ahaza baytun. The translation of this over here, Hamza with a fatha, means is. Okay, and this is a yes or no question. So ahaza baytun. A means is, haza means this, and baytun means a house. And there is a question mark. So the translation would be, is this a house? So it is referring to the object here, and we know that yes, this is a house. So the answer would be na'am. Okay, na'am haza baytun. Na'am haza baytun. Na'am means yes in Arabic. Okay, na'am means yes in Arabic. Na'am haza baytun. Haza means this, baytun means a house. So the translation would be, yes, comma, this is a house. Now let's move on to the next question. Ma hadha. Ma hadha. We know that the meaning of ma is what, and haza means this. So it will be translated to as, what is this? And it is referring to the object here. The answer is haza qamisun. Haza qamisun. Haza means this. Qamisun means a shirt. Okay, so this will be translated to as, this is a shirt. And this is the answer to the question, what is this, or ma haza. Okay, ma haza. what is this? هذا قميص. هذا قميص. هذا means this. قميص means a shirt. Moving on to the next question. Again, there is Hamza with the fatah on top. So this is a yes or no type of question. And this over here means is. Okay. أهذا سرير. أهذا سرير. Means is. هذا means this. And sarirun, we have already covered this word in the previous lesson, and it means a bed. Okay. Ahadha sarirun, meaning is this a bed? Question mark. Is this a bed? No. This is a chair, right? So the answer would be no. Okay. So the Arabic term for no is la. La means no. Okay. Na'am means yes. La means no. La hadha kursiyun. Hadha kursiyun. La means no. Haza means this. And kursiyun means a chair. Okay. So this will be translated to as no, comma. This is a chair. The question was, Ahaza sarirun? Is this a bed? The answer is La hadha kursiyun. No, this is a chair. Okay. Next question is, again this is a yes or no type of question. Ahaza miftahun? Ahaza miftahun? Means is, haza means this, and miftahun, we have also covered this word in the previous lesson. Miftahun means a key, right? So this will be translated to as, is this a key? Question mark. Is this a key? No, this is a pen, right? So the answer would be la. La means no. La hadha qalamun. La hadha qalamun. Hadha means this. Qalamun means a pen. And this will be translated to as no, comma, this is a pen, full stop. Next question is mahadha. Mahadha. Ma means what, and haza means this. So the translation would be, what is this? Question mark. Haza najmun. Haza najmun. Haza means this. Najmun means a star. Okay, as you could see this in the image here. So this will be translated to as, this is a star. Okay, so that's it for today. Let's revise from top what all that we have covered today. So the topic is mahaza. Let me use another color pen. Okay. The topic is mahaza. Ma means what, haza means this. Mahaza. Okay. The first question is mahaza, meaning what is this? And this is referring to the object here, which is a house. Okay. Mahaza, what is this? Haza baytun. Haza baytun. This is a house. The next question is a yes or no type of question that is having Hamza with the fatah on top, and it means is. Okay. Ahaza baytun. Ahaza baytun. Is this a house? And there would be a question mark at the end. The answer is na'am. Since this is a yes or no type of question, so the answer would be having either yes, which is na'am, or no, meaning la. Okay. So, ahaza baytun. Is this a house? Na'am haza baytun. Na'am haza baytun. Meaning yes, this is a house. Okay. Next question is ma haza. What is this? And this is referring to the shirt over here. Okay. هذا قميص. هذا قميص. This is a shirt. Next question is أهذا سرير. أهذا سرير. Is this a bed? No, it is not a bed, right? This is a chair. So the answer is لا هذا كرسي. لا هذا كرسي. No, this is a chair. The next question is أهذا مفتاح. أهذا مفتاح. Is this a key? لا هذا قلم. لا هذا قلم. No, this is a pen. And the last question is ما هذا? What is this? هذا نجم. This is a star. So that's it for today. Inshallah, in the next lesson, we will cover the third page. Until then, Jazakallah khair. Assalamualaikum wa rahmatullah.